Hi students, second exercise, 15th question. Find the buying price of each of the following items they given. In that, sales tax of 8.5% added on them. So first one is towel 50 rupees. Second one, 2 bars of soap at 35 rupees each. Given that sales tax equal to 5%. Sales tax equal to 5%. For that, first one, cost of towel. Cost of a towel equal to 50 rupees. For that, sales tax equal to 5% of 50. 5% of 50 rupees. For that, 5 by 100 into 50. Percent means by 100, off means into 50. Here 1 0 1 0 get cancelled. 5 ones, 5 twos means 5 by 2. 5 by 2 nothing but 2 and half. 2.50, 2 and half rupee. Now CP equal to cost price equal to net price plus sales tax. Net price plus sales tax. How much net price? 50 rupees plus sales tax 2 and half rupee. We'll get 52 and half rupee. 52 and half. Now second one. So the cost of 2 bar soaps. The cost of 2 soaps they given. So what is the rate? 35 rupees each. Means each one 35 rupees. 2 soaps means 2 into 35 will get 70 rupees. So for that, sales tax. So how much sales tax? 5% of 70 rupees. 5% means by 100. Off means into 70. Here 1 0 1 0 get cancelled. 5 ones, 5 twos means 7 by 2. 7 by 2 means 3 and half rupee. 3 rupees 50 pice. Now cost price equal to net price plus sales tax. How much net price? 70 rupees plus 3 rupees 50 pice. We'll get 73 rupees 50 pice. 73 rupees 50 pice is answer. Here cost price equal to formula net price plus sales tax. 16th question. A super bazaar prices an item in rupees and pice so that when 4% of sales tax is added, number of rounding the necessary because the result exactly in n rupees where n is positive integer. Find the smallest value of n. Answer. So let the cost price. Let the CP equal to cost price equal to x take. So if x is increased 4%, sales tax, and what they given is added, then means for that added x plus 4% of x equal to n. X plus 4% means 4 by 100 into x equal to n. Here 4 into x, 4x by 100 plus x, here plus x is there, equal to n. Here 100 send this side, here multiply 100 into x, 100x, 4x plus 100x, 104x by 100 equal to n. Here plus x is there, multiply 100 into x, 100x, 4x plus 100x by 100. 4x plus 100x we get 401, 104 x by 100 equal to we get n. We want x. x equal to n into here 104 by 100 send that side, change it to reciprocal 100 by 104. 100 by 104. Here cancellation is there. Totally we get x equal to 25n by 26. Here n into 100. 100n by 104 cancellation 2 table. Here what is the n? N should be a least multiple of 26. Then only value of articles should be represented only rupees. Here x equal to, suppose 25 by 26 into 13 take here. 13 ones, 13 twos means 25 by 2 will get 12 and half, 12.5. For that, so what we taken here n values, 13 table like 13, 26, 13 3s, 39, 1 so on. From 13 should be taken representing the value of article. Means for this here 12.5, 5 means 50, 12 and half rupees plus 4 by 100 into 12.5 equal to 12.50 plus here 4 ones, 4 20s, 25s will get 12.5, total cancellation we get 0.5. 12.50 plus 0.5, 13.0. 13.0 nothing but 13 rupees. This is answer. Third exercise. First one, Sudhakar borrows 15,000 from a bank. For that he about a house. He borrows money at 9%. Simple interest over 8 years. Means about 8 years, 9%. Rate 15,000 amount. So what is his monthly repayments? See this answer. Here principal means P equal to 15,000. So principal amount 15,000. Rate equal to 9%. Time equal to 8 years. So time equal to 8 years. Amount equal to formula P into 1 plus TR by 100. T into R. TR means T into R. Here principal what? 15,000 into 1 plus time 8 years or 9% by 100. Here 8 cancellation, 4 2s, 4 2s 8, 4 5s, 4 2s 8, 4 5s. Here 2 into 9, 18. 15,000 into 1 plus 18 by 25. So again here 18, 25 into 1, 25 plus 18. 25 plus 18 will get 43. So 15,000 into 43 by 25. Here understand, 1 into 25. 25 into 1, 25 plus 18 by 25. 25 plus 18 will get 43. 43 by 25. Again here 25 table cancellation, 25 ones, 25 6 means 600. 600 into 43. 600 into 43 will get 25,800. So what is this? Amount. Amount equal to 25,800. And his monthly payment. Monthly payment equal to 25,800 by 8 into 12. Monthly payment. Here cancellation 2 table and here also 8, 12 total cancellation will get 268.75. So what is this? So monthly he has to pay monthly his payment equal to 268 rupees 75 paise. Second question, TV. A TV brought a price 21,000 means CP they given 21,000, 5% rate of the given and 1 year time they given. See this answer. Answer: the CP of TV. CP of TV means cost price 21,000. CP is 21,000. After 1 year, its value. So they given after 1 year its value equal to 21,000 minus 5% of 21,000. 5% of 21,000. 21,000 minus 5% means 5 by 100 into 21,000. Here two zeros get cancelled. 5 into 210 means 21,000 minus 5 into 210. So we'll get 21,000 minus 210 into 5. 1050. So 21,000, 1,050. Do subtraction. So we'll get 19,950 rupees. 19,950 rupees. This is answer.